Welcome back, champions. Before we begin, take a deep breath and recognize something powerful. You showed up today. And that alone puts you ahead of the old version of yourself. Life may feel heavy, confusing, or unfair, but you're still here, which means the fight is far from over. What if the very obstacle that frustrates you is the doorway to the future you've been praying for? What if the setback, the rejection, the loss, the disappointment, what if all of it is shaping you into someone stronger than you ever imagined? Today, I want you to open your heart and see your problems not as punishments, but as preparation. Think about the people who no longer have the chance you have right now. They would give anything for one more sunrise, one more opportunity, one more possibility to rewrite their story. And here you are, alive, capable, breathing, with a mind powerful enough to rebuild your world. You may hate the discipline, the routines, the effort, the grind. But somewhere out there, someone would trade places with you without hesitation. So stop running from the work. Stop hiding from responsibility. Every step, every push, every decision is a brick in the foundation of your future greatness. Maybe you lost a job. Maybe a relationship ended. Maybe you're tired, overwhelmed, or questioning your worth. Listen closely. This season of your life isn't meant to break you. It's meant to reveal you. When you shift your perspective, your language changes. And when your language changes, your destiny changes. Your voice shapes your environment, and your belief shapes your voice. So today, choose to speak strength. Choose to speak purpose. Choose to speak victory, even if you don't feel it yet. Growth begins the moment you start telling yourself the truth about who you can become. Every champion you admire, every athlete, every leader, every visionary had moments where quitting felt easier than continuing. But the difference is that they got back up, again and again. You must look at the person in the mirror and say, I'm not done. Fight for the people who depend on you. Fight for the dream you buried. Fight for the future waiting for you on the other side of discipline and consistency. Your story isn't over. Your talent isn't finished. Your journey is still unfolding, and your strength is only getting sharper. So from this moment forward, rise with intention. Choose courage over comfort. Choose consistency over excuses. Choose growth over fear. And as we step into this journey together, remember that you are never walking alone. Millions of dreamers, just like you, are fighting their battles every day. If this message moved you, inspired you, or reminded you of your power, make sure to like the video, share it with someone who needs strength today, and subscribe for more life-changing motivation. Your comeback begins now. Let's rise together.